kiyitiridde olunaku olwaleero omukulu Honorable Joel Ssenyonyi abadde afaafagana ne RDC w'ekitundu ekyeyo Soroti gye tuli ono nno ng'abadde ayagala kuyimiriza His Excellency Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bob Wine kumugaana kuyingira Soroti mu bitiibwa naye munange olunaku olwaleero ategedde obukambwe bw'abantu ba National Platform bwe bayina eri gavumenti eno awamu n'abo eri abaagala okubamalamu amaanyi tongero bajjukiza n'okubategeeza nti abantu abamu bo bakola ebintu nga babikola okusanyusa omuntu omu naye time ejja tuuka abantu bano nga be bali mu kukola ate munnange bali mu kubyejjusa Mwami Museveni tumugambye Mwami Museveni tumubuuliridde Mwami Museveni buli omu akirabye ate era buli kimu akirozezzaako naye obutabulira bwe n'okulowooza bannayuganda nti tebakyalina kye bayinza mukola kakibe ki bugenda muzaalira obuzibu omanyi bagamba nti ow'empaka ze mumuleka n'amala kuloza ku kigenda okumutuukako naye nga ki ekijja ewa Museveni kikaabuka ayinza okutuyisaamu amaaso nga bw'ayagalira nga bw'abikola bulijjo kubanga ebiseera ebisinga alowooza tetulina kye tusobola mukola tuwaye kye tuzzaako alowooza nti yatwala yamala naye his time is knocking Museveni byonna byakola ajja byejjusa era Museveni byonna byakola ajja kubiwulira ntongera bajjukiza ne bategeeza ku lwa Uganda yaffe n'eggwanga buli kimu kijja tambula ddala bulungi tuli mu bitundu TV tukomyewo nateera omukulembeze gwanga Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu ali mu Soroti yagambye abantu be Soroti leero olunaku lwonna ndi nammwe yabagambye nti leero olunaku lwonna ndi nammwe embeera bwetu eri muganda wange ali ow'Omukisa TV sharing a live embeera bwetu eri muganda wange abantu bano batandise tambula okuva ssaawa 6 akana kati tebannaba kusiriikirizaamu amaanyi g'abantu gali eno amaanyi g'abantu gali eno Soroti gali mu kuwuluguma amaanyi g'abantu muganda wange gali mu kuwuluguma bawulire njagala kumanya oba network eri kiriya njagala kumanya oba network eri kiriya Omukisa sama that I have sent him 1K. Sama waliwo kuwadde 1K. Ozirabye? Amita Kirya. Shana. Kirya Shana. Shaina. Eriya ddala linebyosoma naye nga Kirya. Thank you so much. Awadde Sama 1000 webale nnyo webalire ddala.
Embeera bweti bweri omulungi ali ow'Omukisa TV. Embeera bweti bweri muganda wange. Embeera bweti bweri sharinga live. Sharinga live. Network weba eri kiriya sharinga muganda wange.
Mama batuka, pasata batuka, abakuka batuka, pasanda batuka.
Mariam darling, badde kumisinga. Mariam badde kumisinga. I love you too, sweetheart. Sharing a live tweyongereyo. Embeera bweti bweri. Kambye muganda wange labe kigenda maaso. Mbela bweti bweri muganda wange. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Embeera bweti bweri muganda wange ali ow'Omukisa TV. No matter your sex, no matter your religion, no matter your tribe, whether educated or uneducated, it's a revelation for generation. Whether you are a doctor or a farmer, whether you are a teacher or policeman, could have be a tax driver or a student, could have be a lawyer, could have be a soldier. We are fighting for freedom. We are fighting for Dina kavuma tetugenda ffe tulinde kwanza. Ogolof. Tugenda ku radio. Continue playing the music. Bayo wakati. Tugenda ku radio. Mulungi ndaba tovaako. Tugenda ku radio station. Tugenda ku radio station. Vai. Okay. Yeah. Please, nasoka yimbe bana basigale tuje. Cheer again. How many of us? 40 of us.
Yeah, part of Sokon. Media. People on this. How many are entering?
That man has his own. That's where I've made all my money.
So they're only needing about 4 people inside, then maybe the media.
That man must be. You guys from Teso, why did you sit there next to that side?
Where's the machu?
Where's the
Reserve this for Emachu, please.
come this side. See, you're in the chairperson of our region.
Oh,
Yeah.
please.
The chairperson is
Sorry, Mr. Chairman.
Where's the macho?
I'm here.
Come in.
These MPs.
no man, you pass
They are protocol people, so I did not want to say to disrespect you. Mama. Emachu. Where you are?
Those can stand behind you.
Emachu should be right here.
What about that? Mama can sit here, right next to me.
There's some chair here. This.
No, it's
Okware, the regional focal person. Yeah. That is okay. Okware is a regional head. Okay. Gosh.
So,
Mama.
Wanjitata.
Orichia.
Orio. The one in Teso was what? Emuria Koryai.
then kumamu nyai. Nyai
We are going to have all the languages. Oh my God. You know, I walked and I enjoyed it. There's a honorable from Eastern Region.
Dennis, how are you doing? Jerry, from Serere.
So Canido. I want
Quanta videos, tu inaje tu ina? Quanta videos?
Sama kafanya familia sema jambo.
La cuna. Sheriff Bamugambudde
the one who comes to save us, comes to our rescue. Yeah, it's the same actually. Your Excellency, your name Obin, actually Obin, come and save us. Come and save us. That was what they gave you yesterday. Yeah, that is the Jabor name. You have to write them down, otherwise you will surprise me and say, Mama, what was my vessel name? Then I'm angry. Where's the pen? Today is the 9th.
And this beautiful nation will again experience the oppression of one by another. There, the iniquity of being this conqueror.
91.5 Akioga Veritas, and we're broadcasting live right here in Soroti City. And like I always tell you, that we're located just inside that Sokadido complex is where you find Akioga Veritas. Just like I've been telling you all along, that we'll be having the president of the National Unity Platform party, and is already in the building, and we are going to discuss a range of issues. So what you have to do, make sure you do not touch your dial. Atakir, Ajakaita Robert Chakulani Sentamu, Abota Bobwai, Nisi Adapana Lomtoma Radio, Alokioga Veritas, Marathon Punoi, and Ekopen Farming, Alokiti Radio, Ilokoyitina, Sekabuna, like Stima Simu, and Jeki on upon our mission, Abang set upon a Jasi, Alokoma Radio. It's actually accompanied by a lot of personalities and radio, and I'm going to maybe allow speaking maybe to about 4 people just to introduce themselves before I bring in the president himself right here on the 91.5 Akioga Veritas. I'm seeing the Secretary General of the party is here in the building, and I want to welcome Luis to Akioga Veritas. And this opportunity I want to give you to say hello to the public of in Teso. Welcome.
Thank you very much. Very delighted to be here. People power, our power. We are very glad to be in Soroti today in the heart of Teso sub-region. We are delighted for all of you who are listening in.
Thanks so much. And also still in the studios, I have Mama. Yes, welcome to Akioga Veritas. Say hello to full of Teso.
Teso yoga kere. My name is Lina, Mama Lina Zedriga, Deputy President, Northern Uganda. I'm excited to be here in Teso, in Soroti. Thank you. Yalama.
Yalama noi, Toto Linda. And also, Atomatogo, Ajonki Dipejo Kuche. Yes. Karibuni.
Yogano atekerkere, Yalama atekerne kupopinga kere, Kakiro Renyara to Sokware, Jonathan, coordinate and Loteta sub-region, Le Patela NUP. Amito ya mwanajome kumamba boya sana jokuma mati winye wanu radio kantino take the president one me pate menu nyinga okware Jonathan so tin amito ketu ni yiti winye nukome president aro ya motina boya sana
Jakaita Okware Jonathan, and of course the main man himself. Thanks so much for coming through, and welcome to Akioga Veritas. At this moment, I want to allow you to say hello to the public of Teso.
Thank you very much for having us. My name is Chagulanyi Sentamu, aka Bobby Wine, aka Lakona. I'm very glad to be here in Soroti and by large Teso sub-region. I hope we have a good time and looking forward to meeting the masses in a few from now.
Thank you so much, Honorable Robert Chakulani, for making it a point to talk to Teso and also Akiguddeko Babadde. Without wasting much time, I want to give you now the platform to talk to the people of Teso. They've been actually waiting for you. We've been telling them that we're going to come through actually 11 o'clock. Failed 1 o'clock to fail. Even right now, we're still contemplating whether you're going to make it or not. But finally, you're here. Welcome to Teso. And maybe if you could take us through, why are you here in Teso tonight?
Thank you very much. Yeah, unfortunately, we are late, but better late than never. What our listeners don't know is that the police and military blocked all roads. We used only industrial roads to get here, and that's the reason why we are late. But like I said, never better late than never. We are here in Soroti. I'm not here alone. I'm here with the leaders, our leaders in Teso sub-region, our Deputy President in charge of Northern Uganda, Secretary General, Mobilization Secretary, and other leaders. We are here not just to celebrate, not just to visit the people of Teso, but we are carrying a message of hope, a message of change, a message of transformation, a message of not giving up. The people of Teso have been subjugated for so long. Some of those, especially the young ones that were born in this operation, they think it is normal. They think it is okay. Like they say, a bird that was born in a cage thinks flying is abnormal. So the young people of Teso think it is okay to be poor. They think it's okay not to have rights. They think it's okay not to be represented. Many of them have not seen the days of glory here in Teso before their cattle were stolen and promised to be, compensated, but not compensated. Many of the young people don't know that this region was a masterpiece in cotton production. Many of them have grown up only on the fantasy that there will be a processing plant for their fruits, especially oranges. So we are here to reassert that hope, to remind them that it is not a dream. It's possible and it's going to happen, but it's not going to come as a miracle. You are going to have to be part of it. We've come here to restore that hope. And in the few minutes that we are here, I hope to share that and more in detail with my colleagues that are with us here today.
Okay, thanks so much. And you've actually touched quite a lot of issues in just a brief kind of discussion or a talk. And one of the pressing issues that Teso as a region has been actually going through, or has been actually demanding, is basically issue over the cattle compensation. I'm told actually from I think about 25 years ago, the ruling party right now has actually promising people of Teso to compensate them, but nothing has been done. And also, you touched the issue of poverty. Poverty is actually a fighting thing right now in the region. And I don't know, under your leadership, what are the major issues that NUP is going to tackle besides the issue of compensation and of course poverty, if given the vote from Teso?
Well, there are many things, but since we're in Teso, I'd rather focus on the challenges of Teso sub-region.
Yes.
You have mentioned it more than 25 years ago. It has always been promise after promise after promise. But I want to remind the people of Teso that the day Basaija Baraba wanted compensation, he got it in billions. The day Vitature wanted compensation, got it in billions. The day an Indian investor wants compensation, they get it in a matter of days. So the people of Teso just don't matter to the powers that be. They don't matter to General Museveni. He prefers actually to keep them poor because poor people are very easy to manage. He will use a few of his people. He will pick Ananita Mongo Mukula there, give them billions, make sure he controls the common people. He does exactly like the colonialists did. They come, they pick one big person among you, they fatten them, make them rich, and then they use them to subjugate you. So we want to empower the people, the masses in Teso, by beginning with empowering their ability to hold leaders accountable. Once their vote matters, and those leaders know that if they don't deliver to their promises, people can vote them out, then that will be a game over. That's why we came initially and even up to now with the theme of people power is our power. We want to empower them, make their voice count, and make their dreams valid.
Okay. During our discussion today, we always have a weekend kind of a discussion on radio that's from 10 to midday. And one of the callers actually raised a very pertinent issue that I feel I should bring it before that is. He said this is now the electoral kind of a period whereby most political parties tend to come to the region or move to different kind of regions looking for support. But most times after getting the support, they don't basically fulfill what they're going to, what basically tell the people. And they are saying that all politicians, all political parties know what the region has been going to do. Talk about the issue of poverty, talk about the issue of compensation and so forth. And they feel that most political parties are using that as actually to get a sympathy vote from the people of Teso. Away from that, what is your agenda for the people of Teso? Put aside the issue of the cattle compensation and also the poverty. What is your agenda for the people of Teso?
Thank you. For starters, we are not here for electioneering.
Yes.
You remember that even during the 2021 campaigns, we were not allowed to interact with the people of Teso. It was a battle of tear gas and bullets. Even while other political parties and groupings are allowed to meet the people, we don't meet them because our message is radical and straight to the point, and it is awakening. So we are not here just to look for votes. We are here to awaken the people in order to make a possibility of change even before elections, because we believe that dictators can be kicked out before, during, and after elections. Yeah. So get me clearly, we are not only here for electioneering, we're here for awakening, because we are not sure for how long we are going to be able to reach the people. We are here because the people persisted. Like I said, they pushed us in the periphery, dusty roads, but people defied and joined us to show solidarity. So it continues and it will continue that way. Yeah. What is our agenda for the people of Teso? I would say, first, by large, the people of Uganda, we want emancipation and liberation for the people of Uganda. All of Uganda, not just Teso, not just Lango, not just Acholi, not just Buganda or Busoga or Bugishu, but all of Uganda. The problems of Teso are similar to the problems of Buganda, to the problems of Busoga, to the problems of Lango. They might just change a little bit in particulars, but generally they are the same. It is subjugation, it is enslavement on their own land. I'll give you a simple comparison. In northern Uganda, many parts of northern Uganda and Acholi land, they were great tobacco farmers. But when John Museveni came in and saw money there, they owned it up to ensure that they are the ones that are controlling it. Not only that, go to Busoga. Sugarcane was their masterpiece. It was their bread and butter. General Museveni and his henchmen took it over to the extent that no Musoga today has the power over their sugarcane. A kilo of sugar used to buy 3,500, but a ton of sugarcane was at between 250 to 300,000 shillings. Yeah. Not anymore. Today, a kilo of sugar is 5,000, but a ton of sugarcane is 50,000 shillings. Why? Because the profits have to actually go to one family, Museveni's family. You can name all those, gold, whether it's in Karamoja or in Buganda or in Busia. It belongs to Museveni's family. Every mine. Now here in Teso and in particular in Soroti, people used to be great cotton growers, but that is how it was destroyed. So we want to revamp the things that used to empower our people economically. It is not a dream. We are not reinventing the wheel. These things have happened before, and we just need to go back and pick where did these people destroy these things and how and why. We want to start by investigating those that grabbed that economy from the people of Teso. First, give it back to the people of Teso, but also make sure that those thieves pay for that. And also, over time, many things have come. I mean, I've not mentioned the flying school, which used to be the pride of Soroti.
Yeah.
How does it look today? Look at the healthcare system. Is your healthcare system satisfactory? Are your health centers stocked with medicines? Look at your schools. Look at the infrastructure. Where we passed, I don't know what is in Genome 7 said, because they blocked us from using the main roads and pushed us to the destroyed roads as if they want us to see them and see what we have to begin with. So we want to revamp the infrastructure of this